Hi, I'm Jim Smid. I'm the Chief Technology Officer for Ironbow Technologies, and I'm here to talk to you about a product that I'm really excited about, Iron Target. Iron Target is our solution around a software-defined, on-premise, private cloud to help you take advantage of a full multi-cloud architecture. So we did this in response to a lot of the challenges that our customers were facing. I want to walk through those a little bit. First and foremost was complexity. To build something that was fully software defined and be able to do the things we wanted it to do, there was a lot of engineering, testing, and integration work that we've taken the guesswork out of it for you. So we're able to drop in a single day an Iron Target that has been designed, tested, and will work for the mission that you've asked it to do. From a flexibility standpoint, that's great. I have my private cloud. But what about my COOP site? What about my edge sites? And what if I want to consume public cloud? So the beautiful thing about Iron Target is the ability to tie, automate, orchestrate, manage, and operate all of these as if it is a single pool of resources. So that means if I take and run a virtual machine or a container out into public cloud, today I can move it back and forth. If I need more to scale, I can do that automatically. I can make decisions based on cost and performance, and I can move those geographically to anywhere within my multi-cloud architecture that I would like them to exist. So extreme flexibility built in right off the get-go. Use cases. A lot of our customers are still running virtual machines on-premise, but they're starting to dabble into breaking these monolithic virtual machines and applications apart and deploying containers. Containers are lightweight, they're secure, they have extreme portability, and that's a lot of what our customers are interested in, to driving efficiency and to streamlining the way their applications are delivered and consumed by their end users. So that presents a problem. So this is one of the example use cases. We have several others, but this becomes quickly a sprawl in terms of how do I manage and automate and orchestrate containers as they begin to propagate my entire environment. So out of the box, we've put together a Kubernetes deployment. A lot of customers have struggled mightily with Kubernetes in terms of how to deploy it and making sure it works and that they can take advantage of the orchestration and automation management capabilities for their very complex container environment. Out of the box, as a use case, we've already deployed it. We've gone through the trouble of taking the guesswork out so that you can take advantage of Kubernetes today. Last, I'm going to talk to you about cost. Iron Target in and of itself provides a very efficient and cost-effective means for putting in a public cloud. It allows you to have that flexibility we talked about to move things to wherever it's cost-effective and to move them back as required. But it also gives you the ability to work with Ironbow from a cost perspective and move into an OpEx rather than a CapEx environment. A lot of our customers want to consume technology in a much different way. They want to pay for it in a different way. We allow a lot of options. Would love to talk to you specifically about what works for your mission and your agency. So I hope that gives you a little bit better idea of what Iron Target is. I'm very excited about the product. I hope that you guys want to find out more about it. We will have additional videos going into some of the details, or you can always visit ironbow.com/irontarget and get more information. So thank you. I appreciate it.